we go. Hi.
Hey.
What are we doing?
We're
I got muffins.
Center?
Says avocados.
112 muffins,
Nice.
all labeled.
Yeah.
Where are we going?
Busby Center.
Let's go.
All right.
Don't drop it. Don't drop it. Don't drop it.
Yeah, we will.
What's in here?
Sandwiches.
Nice. These are awesome looking sandwiches.
Turkey and
Banana, banana.
And that's not banana, that's bran.
What brand?
This is bran muffins, and the bran muffins with raisins.
All right. What are you laughing at?
I'm carrying Christmas cookies. I don't celebrate Christmas.
All right. Who's coming now?
That's Daphne and
And what are they bringing?
fruit. They're bringing fruit.
And are they late?
Yeah, kind of.
Yeah.
Just wait, because
They're gonna do a film thing.
they're gonna film you trying stuff in.
I have a great shot of you three in front of the jail. It's perfect.
How long are you supposed to be here for?
So what's happening right now over there?
Filmy's doing an interview for the news.
That's so exciting.
Very exciting.
She looks very professional.
She does. She looks incredible.
What?
Go for Filmy!
Art students from Innisdale Secondary School in Barrie are giving back to the community. Today they made sure that lunch was provided to those in need. The students spent the morning making sandwiches, then made sure they were delivered to the David Busby Centre. Because of health restrictions, they can't put on their regular luncheons, so this is the next best thing.
Everyone participated. People brought in bread, meats, cheese, fruits, and people who didn't bring anything, they were able to bake something at home.
Well, it's really great to see the younger generation getting involved, because as they grow older, it's really them who's going to be making the difference in this world.
The students also raised money for the David Busby Centre by selling their original digital art to staff and other students. Next month, they'll be hosting a virtual coffee house and art sale, with all proceeds going to the Women and Children Shelter.
I told her it'd be simple.
I'm sweating. It's so good. You're just like...
She's the expert, right? You guys are the expert.
How do you feel?
I feel good. I wish I talked about Showcase though. Sorry.
You look like a superstar. You rock this.
Thank you.
Just stand here, right? Everybody and I can kind of sort of be apart a little bit. Just so everybody stay close in front of the table. Yeah. I got lots of We're going to take a picture for the web. Okay, everybody look here for a sec.
Smile.